Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring SSDT is installed and aligned with your SQL server. Next, validate source and destination connectivity and permissions so you avoid runtime access failures. Then open Visual Studio, create a new integration services project, and add a package. Once done, set the package protection level appropriate for deployment and store sensitive values in package configurations or project parameters. Because secure credential handling prevents later surprises and enables repeatable deployments. You now design the core ETL. Drag a data flow task and configure your source component to fetch precise columns, map them into destination components. Use lookup for lookups, derived column to transform values, and conditional split to route rows. This keeps logic clear. Also implement error handling by redirecting bad rows to a flat file or error table and add logging and lineage information so you can debug. This saves time when data shape changes or unexpected nulls appear. You finish by switching to the project deployment model, defining project parameters, and creating environments on the Ssis catalog for dev, test, and prod. Deploy the ISPAC, then run small and full volume tests while monitoring execution reports and catalogs. Make sure to validate performance and adjust buffer sizes or parallelism if needed. If things go wrong, enable verbose logging, inspect error rows and data flow buffer usage, and rerun failed components. That targeted info quickly reveals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.